Where are we going today?
We are currently in Chennai, India, and we are going to Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram.
Yeah, Mahabalipuram.
Yeah, we're going on a little day trip.
We thought that we'd have an issue getting an Uber, but one picked up in like 30 seconds. So hopefully they don't cancel on us because the ride is like an hour and 20-ish minutes, which kind of goes pretty far outside the city. All right, let's go back in. I think he's here. We had to stop and get out of the car because the Uber driver had to fill up on CNG, which is compressed natural gas, maybe? He said you have to get out to fill up. So we're standing here at the gas station. I got the 2 tickets. It was 600 rupees a piece. It's like $7, $8.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on over here?
I was looking up some history
Oh.
on this. Each of the 5 monuments resembles a chariot, and it is sometimes mistakenly referred to as a temple, which we said that too.
That's what we said.
But the structures were never consecrated because they were never completed following the death of the king at the time. So they're not temples, they're chariots.
Chariot shape. I guess I didn't realize, when I think of chariot, I think of like the Roman chariot. Yeah. And not like the other chariot that we saw in the picture. I guess, I don't know what it is. Indian
Ratha.
Chariot? Ratha?
Yeah.
Ratha chariot. But now that makes sense. That does looks like a Ratha chariot. I read that each one of these is carved out of one individual stone.
Wow, it's a big rock.
Yeah. So what do you think they did when they messed up?
They had to find a new rock.
I guess. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Or maybe they just
I thought you knew.
I don't know. That's what I was wondering. I was asking you. Do they just play that, I guess, and playing that in the streets?
Our ticket gets us into, I think, 3 things here. So we left the 5 Rathas and we're walking over to the area that has Krishna's Butterball. There's like a few other things over there, but that's the one that sticks in my head for some reason. It's like a 15-minute walk. These bags are so cute, like that one.
That's cute.
Okay.
I'm going to kneel and go like this, and then it'll be like me picking it up.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
But you gotta guide me a little bit.
I think this way. Yeah. Oh, you're getting all the way down. Okay.
Yeah, this is what I was gonna do.
Okay. Okay, a little bit lower.
Is that good?
A little lower. A little bit lower.
What?
This feels like one of those couples challenges where it's like, how well can you tell the other one directions?
Yeah.
I think that I'm losing.
Did you get it?
No, you're like halfway up on the... Bring this one down. Yeah. Okay. Now bring this one down. Now turn it like this.
Flatten or steepen?
Like this. Do what I'm doing with my hand.
Okay.
Now like this. Oh, right there. Now with this one, just barely that way. Right there. Perfect.
Heck yeah.
You are holding the butterball.
Yeah, I got the whole butterball. Christian's butterball. That guy over there is sawing logs. Like so loud.
He's having the best sleep of his life with that snore.
Yeah.
Our last stop of the day here is the Shore Temple, which is pretty much exactly what it sounds like, a temple on the shore.
Right here by the beach.
Beach temple. And it's very nice. The sun is setting. The vibes are calm. It's golden hour. Very chill. We found this nice tree with a bench to sit under.
Yeah. Look at this.
Got the shore behind us and the temple in front of us.
Yeah. And the waves, the sound of the waves crashing.
We're leaving Shore Temple and we're gonna see if we're lucky enough to be able to get an Uber back to today, or what we're gonna have to do, or take the bus. I don't know. We'll see if Uber works, hopefully.
Let's see, it says there's some 3 minutes away and 4 minutes away.
Oh wow.
They haven't confirmed yet. But that's a good thing.
Yeah.
We got one.
That fast?
Yeah.
That was like 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Wow, I did not expect
That's
that.
pretty good. Heck
Success.
Yeah. Okay, I think that is him right over there behind that other car. So hopefully we'll be good. See it, 594. You can get in on the front.
Watch out.
Hello.
Wow, you're way, lift that hand over, your right hand. Yeah, move it to the left.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Is
perfect.
that it like this, maybe?
It's like not, no.